Good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this video, and welcome to Six Flags Great Adventures Holiday in the Park. We are finally here after a long time of being absent. As we can see, a lot of closed rides over there. Very unfortunate about what's happening with them. We can still see that the parachutes are still standing right now, but that, not so much. So let's head on in, see if there's any other changes that we can point out. First change we can note, there are for some reason wooden pallets on Superman's brake run. That is definitely very interesting. Great Adventures Holiday in the Park. That's another change that is of note. It is now Great Adventures Holiday in the Park rather than Six Flags Holiday in the Park. More you know. And of course, Flash Vertical Velocity. It's supposed to be new for this year, 2024. Got delayed to 2025. Excited to see any kind of movement that is going on today. Maybe we could see a test run, who knows? We shall see. So, of course, as we know, Kingda Ka is permanently closed. So, we are going to get one last shot of that famous picture that everybody takes. There's like one area in Bugs Bunny Land that we can get it, so that's where we're going right now to start off our day. So there is one area in Bugs Bunny Land that we can get this shot right here. This is probably going to be our best shot that we are going to get. So take that in while you can. Very sad indeed. Joker does not appear to be open right now, and neither is Harley Quinn because of the accident. So one less thing to do today. First ride of the day, Nitro, and then we'll hop over to Devil after we ride it. Alright, we just got off with Jersey Devil. We also did Nitro before. It was a little cold, to say the least. A little slow, too. Unfortunately, the trims were on. For Devil here, it is on one train ops. As we can see, it is a full station right now. And that's just been the issue the whole year. It's been one or two trains for most of the year. It's been pretty much in that queue house. So it's just something that I don't agree with. They should have at least two trains on at all times in this coaster. It was designed with four trains, of course, and for the park that it's at, it needs the capacity. So yeah, just something that I do not agree with, and we shall see in the future. I got Dad here for his thoughts. Dad, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, with all the issues that happened there, I guess it's we were just lucky to have it running for the year.
Yeah, and there was a period where it was down so that they could address the wheel issue, but other than that, it has been up, but as we can see, with one train. So unfortunate that the state of this ride is right now. So we shall see what the future holds for this ride. Next ride up on the one train ops Galore is going to be Batman. Alright, Batman is done. We actually just got off Wonder Woman here. Obviously very cold. Got a little tight on the restraint wise, but that's besides the point. I have noticed the little rattle on Batman. After the second loop, it was a little bit of a valley there. But Either way, still a pretty good ride, and we are off to Justice League now. Never mind, the line is out the door. Here's a good shot of Flash. Not much that we can see, pretty much just all station stuff. The train was in the station when we were walking up to the entrance, but we have not seen a test today yet, so unfortunately we will not catch a test run tonight. But nevertheless, looks really good right now. Alright, since Justice League was a long line, we are going to take the ferry now. It is a running joke. You'll see. You'll see. Look, it's the ferry. And that's where it comes from. Alright, we took the ferry. Although most of the sound effects were either dimmed or not working, so that was a little weird. Definitely a weird ride on Should've Took the Ferry. To eat, we got the holiday platter. It is definitely very good. We got turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, with roll for a side. Definitely a very good. Do recommend it. Forgot to mention that you can get this at Granny's. Just got done eating. It was very good. Highly recommend it. Definitely go to Granny's to get the holiday platter. Very, very good. Alright, that was a few clips of traditions. Now we are going to head over to Gingerbread Junction to do Gingerbread Twist. Yep, that was one of the best teacups rides ever. We were going there. That was out of breath here. That was really good. Alright, we're gonna go get some rides on Nitro and Jersey Devil to end off the day. Alright, we finished up the day with 2 rides on Devil. Unfortunately, Nitro went down, it threw up an error. We were actually on the train, we pulled our restraints down, but then we had to get manually released from the ride after it threw the error. So, unfortunate, not gonna get our Nitro Night ride today. But we will get it on December 27th when we come back here after Christmas. So that's going to do it for this video of Six Flags Great Adventure. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos just like this style. And leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, guys.